we'll guide you through how to import keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To import keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro, begin by opening your File Explorer on your computer. Next, navigate to your Documents folder, where application data is commonly stored. Inside the Documents directory, locate and open the Adobe folder to access files related to Adobe software. Within this folder, find and select the Premiere Pro folder, which contains settings for the program. After that, choose the folder that matches your installed version of Premiere Pro, ensuring compatibility with your Shortcuts file. Then, open the Profile User folder, which stores personalized settings. Inside this location, select the Win folder if you are using a Windows system. Now, move your imported Shortcuts file into this folder so the application can recognize it properly. Once the file is in place, launch the Premiere Pro application on your computer. After opening the program, either load an existing project or create a new one to proceed. Next, select any media file to import into your project if needed, although this step is optional. If you prefer, you may skip the media import section and continue directly. Then, press Ctrl, Alt, and K on your keyboard at the same time to open the Keyboard Shortcuts menu. In the menu that appears, look for the Preset option, where available shortcut configurations are listed. Here, you should see your imported shortcuts among the options. Finally, select your imported preset, and you can now begin using your customized keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro for faster and more efficient editing. This process ensures that your preferred workflow settings are transferred correctly and helps maintain consistency across different projects. By organizing the Shortcuts file in the correct directory, Premiere Pro can detect and apply the configuration without errors. Using customized shortcuts can significantly speed up repetitive editing tasks and reduce the need to navigate menus manually.